Good evening, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, Elliott Wave analyst. Happy New Year to you all. Today is the fifth day of January 2023, Thursday. This is my first video for the year, and this is night. Time now is 10:13 p.m. in Nigeria, West Africa. I normally make my videos on Saturdays, but today is Thursday. There's a reason for everything, but please bear with me if my voice is not that clear. Maybe you might use earpiece or whatever to hear me well. I'm still in the village for the Christmas season and other activities. During the weekend, we have to do some funeral ceremonies. You know, in Africa, funeral ceremony takes days and days to finish. We lost a woman in our family in Africa. We have a extended family. My uncle's wife died, so we have to do the funeral from tomorrow till Sunday. So I won't have any time to analyze the markets for the coming week, and it's been long. I thought I made my last video before 25th of December, maybe. So come to the business of the day. Nothing have changed that much. Now see, this is DXY, and you know this line have been there for a long time. Remember, I said that I'm still looking for a new high on DXY, which means we will likely get to maybe at least a new high, 115 and above. Okay, so let us just keep watching to know if the impulse have started. This is the daily chart. Let me show you 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see this move is sharp. This move is sharp. Let's wait and see whether the sharp move will continue. Okay. If the sharp move continues, it means we are going all the way to get a new high, maybe 115 or even 120. Okay. I've been saying this for a long time. No need to waste time here. Let's get to USD. Same thing is happening on USD. Are we getting the new low? In my opinion, we're going to get a new low before the bulls will take over the market. So if you watch this move is sharp. This move is equally sharp. Now the question is, are we getting the new low, or can we still have a move up? So this is a daily chart. It seems we are getting the new low right from here. Okay, so let's keep watch for today. Tomorrow we will now know. So now the bottom line is that I don't have any reason to buy USD, and I don't have any reason to sell DXY. So that's the simple simple conclusion. USD card, I'm looking for I have been bullish on this for a long time now. But the bullish market, I'm expected wasn't going very fast. I expect the market to go very fast from here. You can see it made 3 waves and drop again. Sometimes market will behave the way you don't expect. So you're not out of the game. Okay. But the question is, are we not getting the bullish market? Or will it delay once more? We have to watch what happens here. So for now, I will advise you to forget about USD card now. Unless you will buy and the stop loss will be here. After this move, I said after an ABC, I have to buy, but stop loss will be here. So nothing have changed anyway. Nothing have changed until the price closes below this level. So if you buy from here, it's still a good trade because stop loss will be here. Okay, so now it's a bullish market. No reason to buy at all. No reason to sell at all. I can only buy. USD chef, if you see the daily chart, you will know that for a long time I said that we are getting WXY. The WXY have completed, or maybe I assume they have completed. So let me see 4 hours. The network is somehow slow. The network is somehow slow. In the village, things are not that like in town. So right from here, I've been expecting the bullish market right from here. After this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any diagonal, it keeps moving so slowly. But it doesn't matter. The market is a bullish market. Okay, so even if it goes down again, I will not sell. I'm only looking for buy. Okay, so it's not to me, it's not a sell market anymore. Or maybe you may consider to buy after this place. But anyway, the market is buying already. The market is buying already. So, and here is the stop loss. Here is the stop loss. Nothing to worry about on this. So, pounds USD, I expected the sharp move down, but you can see it's moving slowly. I don't know whether anyway on daily charts, everything seems to be so all right concerning the price movement, but on 4 hours and 1 hour, I don't like this type of move. But sometimes this is where I don't like how it is moving. I expected something like this. After this drop, I expected something like this and drop again. But this drop can happen anywhere from here. So the bottom line is that I don't see any reason to buy pounds USD. Anyway, we might get something like this, but I don't want to. I will not buy. If I get something like this, then it's time to sell. So no reason to buy at all because, in my opinion, the 4th wave have completed, and we are now getting to we are now expecting a new low. Remember, some time ago I told you that we might get parity on bounce USD again. So if this is indeed a 4th wave, then we might get parity. Anyway, it's still far. But if we have two options. One, this can be the 5th wave. Then 2, this can be the 3rd wave. of a bigger wave. Then here will be a fourth wave. If that is the case, it means we're going to get something like this before we get this. So in all this, we might also have a kind of 1, 2, 3, maybe somehow 4 here, then 5. If you get this, it means that the selling have completed here. That we now look for A, B, C and buy again. Okay, so no need to be ahead of the market. We keep watching the market to know what it will show us. Okay, so see, you can see according to the weekly chart, I mean, the market is expected to drop. According to my weekly chart, I'm expecting the market to drop further. Okay, so notwithstanding, because of this pin bar, because of this very pin bar we have here, because we have pin bar here, it's possible the market have entered the bearish move here. Okay, so we have two possibilities. We might get this, or we get this and get this. Okay, having said this, let's move down, go to other pairs. AUD USD. AUD USD. Okay, this is weekly chart. Seems to have completed the WXY. Okay, or maybe it can still go lower. Weekly charts don't have to be the main focus. We look at it for a wider and higher time frame expectation. Okay, so on daily, if it's the same issue with pounds USD, we might get ABC and it will go up. So let's see 4 hours. One thing is sure on AUD USD, at least the market can drop to this level. Even if we would get a new low, at least we will get this level before anything else. AUD, New Zealand USD, I'm expecting the market to drop very sharp, but it is moving sideways. Nevertheless, I still expect the market to drop at least to this level, 0.59. Okay, 0.5859 or lower. That is, if we don't have a sharp move that will give us a new low. Either a new low or something like 61.8. So this is what I'm expecting, at least to this level before we begin to buy. JP225. Remember, for a long time, I'm telling you that we will likely get the price to this low, 24,700, 24 or even 24 or below. So this is our range. This is our range. So I won't talk about buying JP225 until I see the price drop to this very golden box. From here, I begin to look for buy. All right. Right now, I'm looking for sell. So let's see 4 hours. And the 4 hours is making an ending diagonal. In that case, we will likely get a move like this, A, B, C, before we sell again. Okay, so it calls for patience. Be patient to know what will happen before you now get your money. Okay. USOJPY. USOJPY. What do we have? Let's say check daily. Daily, the market is corrective, but it seems we are getting lower. We are getting lower. So we keep watch to know how it unfolds. Maybe you may forget about trading this pair for now. And I would advise you, if you like to trade this pair, watch for a kind of A, B, C. If you get it, then you can buy. After you have bought, it might sell again. But watch out for this type of move. If you get it, you buy. If you don't get it, you leave it. Remember, I show you this. Anyway, I showed this. This has happened after I made my last video. But I posted this on my Telegram channel. So my followers have gotten this trade. This is a lot of money. Not on only this, on many pays. On many pays. USDJPY. This is another trade I shared. There are very many of them. Both Chef JPY, many of them. Yen pays, all the drop you see on Yen pays, I shared it with my subscribers. You know, my Telegram channel is free. Unless you want to join the students channel. I have 2 free Telegram channels where I share materials for free. So just look for the link below this video, click the link or join. Or you can see my phone number, my WhatsApp number, you chat to me and join. It's free. I share tips every now and then. So pounds JPO, dollar JPY, I think it's a bullish move now. Okay, but not a good trade right now. So you can focus on other pays for now. Pounds JPY, I share this drop also. You can see I share this drop also. This is a very big move. So now, like Euro JPY, what we look for is a move like this. Then you buy. Maybe somewhere here it will sell again. If you don't get this type of correction, don't buy. Leave it and look for some other pays. Gold. Let's go to gold. Gold. I'm expecting a big drop right from here. You know, this is an ending diagonal, so it has taken a very long time to complete. But right now, I don't think it will go up again. Even if it will go up, it won't go very far. If it will go up, it won't go very far. And after that, we will see a big drop. So the reason you see this is it simply means if you are afraid, the selling have confirmed already. But if you are afraid, wait for it to break this channel. Then you can now sell with peace of mind. Okay, so if we go down to 1 hour, you can see this into sell gold right now. For instance, the selling actually confirmed here. Here is where the selling confirmed. Okay, so now the best thing to do is if you trade the gold, don't wait for it to break this line before you sell. Rather, if you get a nice A, B, C from here, then you sell from here because it will be a corrective pattern, an A, B, C. Even if it goes higher, because here will be your stop loss. Even if it goes maybe ABC, W, it make ABC again, X, AB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Y. It will become Y, WXY. It is still a sell market. Why am I showing you all this? You may get this type of correction, then you enter sell with all your strength and confidence. Then it will begin to drop and then buy again. So if you sell from here, from anywhere, stop loss will be here. That's what I'm trying to let you know. And so for now, this is recommended for now. Based on 4 hours. You know this channel you sell. So silver, let's go to silver. On silver, and let me check daily on silver. Silver is dropping, you know, for a long time we are battling to know whether this is first wave of a new impulse or part of correction. But it doesn't matter whether first wave, whether wave one or correction, it doesn't matter. What matters is that we know when to buy, we know when to sell. You know, those who follow me, you know that I share this chart on silver. So this drop is expected. If market goes very sharp, then we expect a new low instead of correction. You know how correction is and how impulse is. So for now, let's target 21 or 20 on silver before we now know whether we are buying from here or it will go lower. Let's see platinum. Platinum is also dropping like silver. Platinum, if you are watching me and you trade platinum, you must have bought from here to this place. It's a very good trade. I shared this before Christmas. So now that it's going down, where do we expect it will stop? Are we going to get this very, you know, I expected it to drop from here down here, but it made a correction and move up again. So now, are we going to get this? If we get this drop, it means platinum is going back to 800 or below, or even 720. So, but you know, this is a daily candle. You need to be patient to know what it's gonna do. So, having said this, let me also go to 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see this drop is sharp. So, this might be 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me show you 1 hour. Okay, so this can be with 1, with 2. You must see a drop again, 3, 4, 5. So, for now, silver, gold, platinum, no more buying. If you bought from here, take profit because it's gonna drop more. Okay, so having said this, let me also check oil. Remember, I shared this chart of oil. I shared that it will sell from here, and it's selling now. And on oil, oil might be going to 50 or 60. Oil is still selling. So oil is still selling. Oil might get to 50, 55. So if you're trading oil and you are buying, be very careful. Oil might keep dropping and dropping. Okay, having shown you this video, I don't want it to be so long. So this drop, if you get an ABC, then you sell again. Let me go to US 100. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I will conclude. US 100. Let me show you daily on this again. It's not a new chart. It's not a new idea. I've been showing you this for a long time now. So now, what do we have here? Possibility of this coming down here is possible. That is 9,000 or below. Why am I showing you this? Be very careful. The market is correcting. Don't conclude it has made an ABC that uh, concluded, it has completed the correction. No, it can keep dropping and dropping. All this move is correction, and is a kind of WXYXZ. So the Z might be making another WXY. So unless I see a sharp move, let me go to forwards. Unless I see a sharp move, maybe instead of dropping, it will make a sharp move like this. Then I will look for a kind of then buy again. If not, I'll be only looking for sell. So why am I saying this? The time to buy it is still not now. There's a bit 500. You can see we are expected to drop further. We are starting the same thing. I expect it to drop further, at least to this range. So this type of drop is almost inevitable. Expect it will surely drop, but will it stop here or go lower? That I cannot tell you now. Okay, so let me go to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will conclude. Let me tell you something about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I suppose for them to load. Cryptocurrencies will take people by surprise. Cryptos will take many of you by surprise. It will take me by surprise because I know what will likely happen. You may consider joining my Telegram channel so that when it begins to peak, I'll let you know. So Bitcoin will peak when people don't expect. Okay. Right now, I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop at this range. Bitcoin can drop when price comes to this level, anywhere from here. It can drop from this range. It can drop after going higher. So probably after the drop, you may not get drop again. Okay, remember I told you Bitcoin is going back to 15,000 or below. So it seems after doing that, the much awaited bullish move will start. So let me show you Ethereum also. Ethereum have gotten to the level of selling. But one thing is this, it might like to go higher. If it goes higher, it will reach this level. But as for selling, it's gonna sell. Okay? So where are we expecting it to drop? If it's going to sell right from here, then expect 1,075, 1,070 or thereabout. If it goes higher to sell, maybe 1,001, 1,120 or thereabout. So it depends when the start dropping will start. Okay, I think I have covered those that are more important to cover. Thank you for watching my first video of the year. This video might not be the way they used to be because my graduates, my those things I used to do my video are not with me here in the village. So try to manage it try to listen carefully to get what I'm saying. Okay. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Remember, we have students we train. We can train you. If we teach you, you will learn because I know how to teach and I don't charge much. Not to make mistake of last year, gambling with your money, trying to do it yourself. If you don't know it, you don't know it. If you don't know it, you don't know it. The money you lose in trade is more than enough to pay me little and learn from me. Now that I have time to teach you, now I still have time to teach. Time will come when I not have time to teach. Though I'm not the only teacher, but if you don't want to learn from me, learn from another good teacher because you need to learn before you trade. Okay, thank you for watching and God bless you.